guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Kayleecarmel. What? Today, we're gonna be doing a little makeup tutorial. We're gonna do something soft, something subtle, something fabulous. All kidding aside, we're gonna be doing a tiny hands challenge today. Yeah, I got my tiny hands. To whoever started this video, hopefully I can find them and I can credit them down below in the comments because this shit is hilarious. But as soon as I saw it, I went on Amazon and purchased my own tiny hands because I had to try this. Hats off to you if you thought of this because this shit is so funny. I don't know if this was a Donald Trump thing that he started this. I think it was, but I'm not sure. The tiny hands are just hysterical and I can't get enough. So we're gonna be doing a tiny hands makeup tutorial today and I hope you guys like it. If you wouldn't mind, smash that subscribe button. Go ahead, hit it. Hit that subscribe button. Hit it with your tiny hand, bitch. Turn on notifications if you wanna see every time I post. You can be a part of the fam. I mean, I don't have tiny hands all the time, but today I do, so you just never know what's gonna come up. Without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and start this crazy ass tiny hands tutorial. First, we're gonna take our primer. This is the High Adherence Silicone Primer from The Ordinary, one of my favorite primers of all time. We're gonna put this shit on our face. Okay, so we've got some primer on our hands. Let's just rub our hands together and slap that shit right on. Yep, this is going great. Really get that nose. Oh yeah, really get in that nose. All right, yeah, you just want to really rub it in everywhere. Winston? No, do not lick yourself. Oh my God, I can't take myself seriously with this shit. We're primed. The primer is done. Now we're gonna take some foundation. This is the Even Better Glow from Clinique. All right, so we're just gonna dot this around and we're gonna blend. I'm not sure how much I need because, well, to be honest, I've never put it on with my hands before, so we're just gonna blend her on out and see what we think. Yes. What has my life come to? Work it, girl, work it in. Foundation is on. We've done the foundation. My hands are fucking backwards. All right, next up we've got concealer. So we're just gonna put some on our tiny hands. So we're gonna be using the Urban Decay All Nighter Concealer and we're just gonna pop some right under our eyes to just brighten things up a little bit. Let's get some, can't forget that faux head. Can't forget the nose either. So yeah, we're just gonna work it in. This is very comfortable to do. Go ahead and just blend until you can't blend no more. Just work it in. I personally think I've never looked better. Ooh, it's good for like scratching an itch though. I won't tell you that. Yes, this is good. All right, now we're concealed. Under eye bags are hidden. No worries. Everything is blended to perfection. Now we're gonna take our Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. We've got our puff ready. We're just gonna dip into this top shade and set our under eyes. Now you wanna make sure that you really pat this in because if you don't, then your makeup is gonna be moving, girl. And we don't need our makeup to move anywhere. We don't want this masterpiece to go anywhere. Just keep patting it in. Make sure that makeup is set. I think we're set. Now we are gonna contour. So again, with that Kat Von D Shade and Light palette and our little handy dandy puff, we're gonna take, oh shit, that's my real hand. We're gonna take that bronzer shade, tap some off, and we're just gonna contour right where we need it. Yes, girl. You ate a burger yesterday? No, you didn't. Blend in that contour. Make it work. Don't lose your little spongy though. You don't want to lose that. Hide that double chin, you know? Hide that double chin. Contour the nose. I think we're contoured. Snatched. Contour kit closed. All right, let's do some blush. Let's take the Pure Bronze and Brighten palette and we're just gonna dip right into this blush here. Tap some off and we're just gonna pat her on in. She's pigmented, so watch out, kids. Don't wanna go overboard. Never wanna go overboard. Never. Just pat her in, just nicely. Nothing too crazy. All right, we've got blush. All right, shall we highlight? Let's take the Anastasia Amrezy and we're gonna dip on in. We are gonna highlight those cheekbones. Oh yes. Honestly, highlight fixes everything. I mean, it may not fix the size of my hand. Oh, can't forget the Cupid's bow. Okay, so this is what the face is currently looking like. I think she's good. She's fabulous. Let's continue. For the brows, we're just gonna spoolie through them quickly. For the brows, we're just gonna quickly spoolie through them just to brush them out. I'm not sure why my arm is broken. Yeah, okay, so they're spoolied. That's great. We're gonna take our brow wand from Skone Cosmetics and we're just going to fill in the brows just a little bit. But we're just gonna fill in those brows ever so slightly. This is where things are gonna get a little tricky. Okay, so we're gonna go in with some eyeshadow on top of our very creased base and we're just going to add a little bit just to liven things up. Mother! Aha. We're just gonna pack a little bit of this, nope. So we're gonna pack a little bit of this sienna shade on the outer corner from the Anastasia Soft Glam palette. You gotta get really up close because it is hard to be precise when you have tiny hands. Then we're gonna add some shimmer on the lid, and how do we like to do that? With our fingers. Just add a little gold just to make that lid pop. Oh yes, honey. We're just gonna add a little on the other side. That gold is gorgeous. Yes. Shall we do some mascara? Is that even a possibility? We're gonna find out. We are just gonna pop some on. All right, so we're gonna take the Benefit Bad Gal Bang and we're just gonna run that through the lashes. Beautiful. Don't forget that bottom lash line. It's okay if you get makeup on your hands because you can just wash them right after. We're just gonna go in on the other side quickly. If you're asking, how did Kaylee go blind? It's probably because she did mascara with her tiny hands. This may just be the scariest thing I've ever done. Perfect. So we're gonna go in with some lipstick, hopefully. We've got it in hands. We've got it in our tiny, tiny hands. Oh yes. We are gonna do some lipstick. This is the Urban Decay 1993 lipstick. Yes. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Can we get it on the top? Yes, we can. All right, guys. This concludes my full face of tiny hands makeup. Actually, considering my hands are so tiny, I think it turned out pretty decent. Yay, we did it. We did it, we did it, we did it. Tiny hands, tiny hands, tiny hands. Yeah, so this is the full face of tiny hands makeup. Comment down below, let me know what you guys thought. I think it turned out pretty good considering my hands are so fucking small. I have lipstick on my teeth, but we did it. Smash that subscribe button if you want to see more content. Turn on those notifications if you want to be notified every time I upload. You can follow me on social media at Kayleecarmel, Kayleecarmel4 on Twitter. I love you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye. Wally, do you like the tiny hands? I just love you so much.